Our last example has to do with the concepts of antigenic drift and shift pertain to the need for yearly vaccinations. Now, we did discuss that today, and it has to do with because influenza is an RNA virus, and we learned in our microbial genetics lecture that RNA viruses are actually more prone to recombination and mutation. And so because of that, there's an increased likelihood that viruses will change over time. Now, another prime example of an RNA virus, by the way, is HIV. And one of the reasons why we don't yet have a vaccine for HIV is because it's constantly changing. It's very challenging to develop vaccines for viruses that are changing shape all the time, because you develop it for one shape and then it changes. Now, in the case of influenza, thankfully, we have change there as well, but it doesn't change as quickly, and it tends to change slightly on a yearly basis. So we're pretty good. It's a pretty good solution to develop these yearly vaccines that everyone tends to get. I mean, the best time to really get them is in the late fall, early winter, because usually influenza starts in the early to mid-winter months. So anyway, thank you so much for visiting Educator.com.